Hello guys, today I'll be showing how to use this rubber ball to open the back case of your wristwatch. Today I'll be using Kinetico wristwatch to do the demonstration. But firstly, before we start, we'll make sure the back case is free. The back case and the rubber ball is free from grease, oil and water, in order to allow friction between the ball and the back case. Secondly, the back case should be a screw down kind of design. As you can see, the back case of this wristwatch is a screw down kind of design for the watch. So we hold the watch firmly on one hand and the ball on the other hand. Then we place the ball directly at the back of the case. Then we turn anti-clockwise. Then we apply a little bit pressure on it, move it, turn, wow, the back case is open. Then let's see how we close the back case also using the rubber ball. There's a setting. Okay, set. We hold it firmly. This time around we are turning clockwise. We turn until the back case no longer turns again. Wow, very good. So the rubber ball helps to reduce the rate of scratch on the back case of the wristwatch, unlike the metal case opener. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.